here it is, my low buck build. Yeah, it's got a torn seat though, and I don't like it. I don't like the seats at all. They're crap, so I'm going to replace them. Me being so tall, this thing is definitely made for the little people. I need more leg room. I got no headroom. Actually, yeah, them Recaros should give me some more room, and they're way more comfortable seats. Pretty straightforward. Take 4 bolts out. There should be a wire under here. Yeah, a wire right here for the seat belt, light. Unplug that, and take them 4 bolts out and pull the seats out. Here's the rails from the Del Sol in my Civic. These 2 bolts up here, the 2 front bolts, they actually line up. But the rear one, this one back here is too short, and this tab would probably have to be bent and a hole would have to be drilled in it, and I could probably use these rails with 3 bolts and it would sit way lower. I can see really all I got to do is take the rail off of this, my Civic seat. This one's a little different because it's studded right here. The other one's got a bolt in it. Yeah, this one's only got 2 bolts. That Del Sol's got 3, so okay. I got this little rod dealie I got to deal with here. It moves a little bit, but not all the way, not enough to make it work. The Del Sol wire is just a little bit shorter, so I got to use this wire. It's too short. Ha! Not cool. Alright, hopefully I can shorten this without breaking this wire. And it broke. Shit. It's spring steel of some kind. Spring steel will bend one way, but it doesn't like to bend back. What do I do? I just put a little U in it. Now that it broke. We'll see how that works. Hopefully it'll stay in there. I don't think that's going to go anywhere. Yep, I'm leaving it. That won't come out, so alright. Oh, I got leg room. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow, this thing sits back just right now. Oh, that's cozy. This one's a little different. It's got a cable here and this lever. It's not on the Del Sol because, well, the Del Sol is a two-seater. So I'm pretty sure what this does is when you pull this lever, it'll push this forward and make the seat go up. It's spring loaded too. There's a spring down here. That's not on the Del Sol either. So I'm not going to care about that stuff. I'm just going to do away with it. I'm going to use this rail. I'm going to use this rail over here. And this spring is not going to get used, I don't think. Pretty sure I'm just not going to use that. I'll take this cable out and just not use this cable. And it should work. I hope. Well, there it is, blue on gray. That don't look so bad. I really like these seats. They're very nice. That was a fun build.